125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but we also know that this is also a time to commemorate, to think, to contemplate the kinds of atrocities that are happening on Dalits, Bahujans and minorities all over India, from Kashmir to HCU to Hyderabad Central University to this university, where the Dalits, Bahujan and Adivasi students are still rusticated, and those students who fought for the justice, fought for the rights of student community still have not got the justice. So we need to remember, we need to think about these times, which are the challenging times, where the enemy, whether it is in the form of university administration or in the form of the state, is very clearly in front of us, and we have to, at each and every juncture, we have to fight with this enemy in all fronts, whether it is in the university struggles or whether it is in the struggle outside the university, because the boundary between the inside and the outside have blurred, and whatever the atrocities that are happening in outside are also very much are mirrored within the university spaces. Like many of us have experienced and encountered the everyday forms of caste discrimination in the university spaces. So these are also so-called not egalitarian and equal spaces, but are unequal spaces. And the institutional murder of so many Dalit students, minority students, is just a testimony of this injustice, of this form of discrimination. So in this moment, when we see the kinds of injustices that are being done towards Dalits, we don't need to just celebrate, or to see this moment just only, a moment of joy. But we are remembering Dr. B.R. Ambedkar because the kind of fight he led, and we have to continue this fight in our all struggles. So as a tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for this moment, I would like to sing some lines from Faiz Ahmed Faiz, because who also have talked about in his poetry about the times, about the challenges that we are living in, and we shall see. We can only see the victory, we can only see the moment of victory, which is not predestined from heaven, but it will only come into reality through our blood, through our sweat, through our fight. So I'll sing some lines from Faiz Ahmed Faiz. दिन के जिसका वादा है, जो लोहे अज़ल पे लिखा है, हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, वो दिन के जिसका वादा है, हम देखेंगे, जो लोहे अज़ल पे लिखा है, हम देखेंगे, जब जुल्मो सितम के कोहे गिरा, जब जुल्मो सितम के कोहे गिरा, रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे, जब जुल्मो सितम के कोहे गिरा, रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे, हम महकूमों के पांव तले, ये धरती धड़ धड़ धड़केगी और अहले हकम के सर पर, और अहले हकम के सर पर जब बिजली कड़कड़ कड़केगी, हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है, हम देखेंगे जब अर्ज़े खुदा के काबे से, जब अर्ज़े खुदा के काबे से सब बुत उठवाए जाएंगे, जब अर्ज़े खुदा के काबे से सब बुत उठवाए जाएंगे, हम अहले सफा मरदूदे हरम मसनद पे बिठाए जाएंगे, सब ताज उछाले जाएंगे, सब ताज उछाले जाएंगे, सब तख्त गिराए जाएंगे, हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है, हम देखेंगे जो लौहे अज़ल पे लिखा है, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
प्रोग्राम चल रहा है बेटा, प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, देख रहे हैं।
यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टूडेंट तो उनका कैंपस में नहीं रहता।
मीटिंग के बाद में वो आगे प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, प्रोग्राम के बाद आता है भैया, प्रोग्राम के बाद आता है।
And you, everyone, even your sir. No, that is true, sir. This is harassment. No, you think about it. It is not harassment. 4 people are coming from there. No, just wait. 4 people are coming from there, and we are organizing Ambedkar Jayanti. And in that Jayanti, your guard comes and disturbs and talks to people. You go and see the video. What they have done. Is this what you are going to do in this campus? Don't we have a right to stand here? Don't we have a right to talk? You tell your teacher, you tell your sir, everyone. You get the letter or you conduct his viva, give him a certificate. After that, he won't come. If he comes, he will take the pass and he will enter. Isn't it true? You tell that. I am not questioning you. You also go and question your teacher, your boss. But this is really worse, sir. Really very bad. 4 people are like guarding us. No, sir, they disturb. Sir, they disturb. They disturb. That is like for him. If it has happened, next day her, next day me, and next day another fellow will also happen. The only thing is that why are you doing? You give him a letter. You would have brought the letter and told. Then he would have gone to whoever to meet. He would have met.